This is Jeff, and here's another great buy on a really nice midsize SUV from Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Check out this 2016 Honda CR-V EX. Beautiful vehicle, loaded with equipment, really nice, really clean. Around back, you've got tons of cargo room. Cargo cover, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 17-inch alloy wheels with Cooper tires. More than ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have rear air vents. It's modern steel metallic with gray interior. Tinted windows, vent shades, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights. Super clean inside and out. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats. Power moonroof. Power seat. Power windows. Power locks. Power mirrors. Traction control. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Automatic headlights. Fog light controls. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and cruise control. Only 61,000 well cared for miles. Push button start. AM, FM. Backup camera. Really neat, really nice, really trick lane watch. Heating and air controls. Console shifter. Heated seats, driver and passenger. 12-volt power outlet. USB ports, HDMI port in the console. Keyless entry key fobs. Factory owner's manual. Carfax vehicle history report. Moonroof controls in the overhead console. If you'd like to know more about this 2016 Honda CR-V EX, please give us a call. 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.